in question number 4, we have to solve this equation which has 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y on the left side, and on the right side we have minus 2 by 5. So what we can do is we can do the cross multiplication of the denominators. So we can take this 5 on the RHS into the numerator on the left hand side, and we can take this 2 minus 6y, the denominator of the LHS, into the numerator on the RHS. So let's carry out this step. So we get on the LHS we will have 3y plus 4, and we will get the denominator from the RHS, which is 5, and on the right hand side we have minus 2 into the denominator from the LHS is 2 minus 6y. So this is our first step, the cross multiplication step. And now let's expand the products. So 3y times 5 is 15y, and then 4 times 5 is 20. So we get 15y plus 20. On the right side we have minus 2 into 2, that's minus 4, and then we have minus 2 into minus 6y, that's plus 12y. Alright, now let's take this 12y, transpose it to the left side, and actually let's do the constant term also, work on this also in the same step. So let's take this constant term and transpose it to the right side. Okay, so on the left side we will get 15y minus 12y, and on the right side we will get minus 4 and minus 20. So basically the minus 12y is coming from the RHS here, and the minus 20 is coming from the LHS here. Okay, and now we get 15y minus 12y, that's 3y, and on the RHS we have minus 4 minus 20, that's minus 24, and finally we can divide both sides of the equation by 3. So we will get y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. So minus 24 divided by 3 is minus 8, and hence the solution of this equation is y is equal to minus 8. This is the answer for question number 4. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.